informant led officers of the Muerto County Sheriff's Department to a cemetery just outside the small rural Texas community of Butte early this morning. Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art, the remains of a badly
Or to chainsaw, or to chainsaw, or to chainsaw. Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch. Or to chainsaw. Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch. Or to chainsaw. Or to chainsaw. Or to chainsaw, shut up, bitch, shut up, bitch. Or to chainsaw, shut up, bitch. Or to chainsaw, shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch, shut up, bitch. Or to chainsaw. Feminist constantly disrespecting my manhood. Like, what do you have to offer? Nothing. Then what am I waiting for? I'm a fight you horse to a chainsaw. Yeah, I be reppin' that Texas Chainsaw Massacre again, aka Leatherface. Let me sew that pussy between your legs, cause you won't have kids anyways. Then I'm a fist fuck kids. Yeah, something to bitch about. Yeah, stupid bitch. You gave me a reason to hate women like you. Chop your leg off and watch you off like a bunny as I laugh. Fuck you and die already, you con, you fucking con, you die, you cold.
indictment is only one of a series to be handed down as special grand jury investigation. This hour's top news story, an informant led officers of the Muerto County Sheriff's Department to a cemetery just outside the small rural Texas community of Butte early this morning.